If you have a Bose Wave music system and you try and insert a CD like this and it just turns off, or if you insert a CD and it skips, this is how you solve it. You replace this little PCB, it's located right below the CD drive, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Alright, so we're going to start by flipping over the whole system, like this, and we're going to find 5 screws. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unscrew all of them with a manual screwdriver so you don't break the screw holes. They're very fragile. And you just flip it back over and take off the cover like this. And then we have a transformer screw right here that we need to take off. Just unscrew it. You can use an automatic screwdriver with this one. That's fine. And we're going to move the transformer out of the way like this. And you can simply just move the speaker wire. You want to get a close-up of this? Oh, yeah. Move the speaker wire like this, so it's out of the way of the main speaker housing. And you just flip it. So be careful when flipping this speaker housing over. You want to unplug the LCD cable right here. Unplug it, and then do a 180 and flip it like that. And now we have the CD drive, and we want to replace what's under the CD drive. So first of all, this is an example of what mostly happens when you try to replace the PCB. This little connector cable right here comes off. So you need to carefully move this CD drive up and unplug it from right here first. Try and put like a little flathead or a fingernail right here so you can carefully unplug it with the connector staying on the board. And then we're gonna unplug right here, and there we go, we have the CD drive freed from the PCB. And then final step is unplugging the motherboard, the PCB, and unscrewing it with these 2 screws on the top right and bottom left. There you go. And then just lift it up. And we have our replacement new PCB right here. So plug in the motherboard. And then we're gonna be careful and get our CD. I'm not gonna screw it in right now just to try it out. We can plug in our CD right there and plug in the reading cable right here. There you go, pretty easy to put in. And just put the CD on top, and then you can flip this back around, plug the LCD cable into the right hand side. It's a little hard to see, but just right there. There you go, it's in. Put the transformer on top again, and we're not gonna put the cover on. Just plug in the power cord. There you go, and it's just powering back on. There you go, it's finished. We're gonna put in this little dog CD. So before we had a unit that wouldn't even accept the CD, it would automatically turn off, and the LCD would just say please wait, or your CDs would skip. And now with a replacement PCB, now it's fully functioning and everything's working fine.